Thanks for picking up your free Easter egg activities. I think your chains are going to be a real hit. The link to get that's just at the bottom of this page. But before you go, can I show you one more thing that we've created that we're really excited about? Have you ever heard of Lapbooks? Probably a lot of you know all about those. I was new to them and I think they're so cool. So we've created one for each day of the Holy Week. And Malia is going to tell you all about that, so you can pick these up as well if you want. Inside our bundle, not only are there these 8 lap books, but I'm also including printouts of my artwork that you can frame up and put in the child's bedroom if you wanted to, or use as cards. So the Garden of Gethsemane, and of course the crucifixion and the resurrection. So these are also printable. Included in the bundle are the 8 lap books plus 5 tutorials that I've done so that the kids can make these rock art pieces themselves. So I'm going to hand it off to Malia to show you exactly what's inside of the lap book. So Malia, you ready?
Thanks, Patti. I'm so excited to join you on this project. Let's continue to talk about these lap books. So you can create them in any color you want, and I'm going to go through each part of the pieces of the lap book so that you can understand why they are so vital. So the first piece we have at the very top that you see here on the side is we have our scripture. So every day there is going to be a different scripture that coordinates with the lesson for the day, and it's going to look like this. Your kids can color it in. There are certain things that they're going to learn. It's very small and very short, so any child should be able to learn about, for example, Palm Sunday. And so these images you're going to see throughout the lap book that are going to help your children to remember the story. Now underneath that, you're going to see a section that is called What Does It Mean? In this section, you're going to lift every tab and your child is going to write down what it means. So after they've read it, let's see if they remember it, and then they're going to write down each of the pieces of the pictures and what it's talking about. Now the middle section is where you're going to create your own rock art. Scan the QR code or go into the members area, which you will have access to if you purchase the Easter bonus, and you'll be able to watch the tutorials and videos. It's very easy, so you don't have to search on YouTube. Everything is right there for every day during the week. Now, you will also have access to some Easter music videos that we have hand selected that go along with the lessons as well. The next section you're going to see is a write it and draw it. This is where your child is going to retell the story, either writing it or in pictures or both. And then underneath that, there's a section for a little wheel where they're going to be able to turn that and pick one of the images and then tell you all about it. So these are all ways to reinforce the stories that they are going to learn during Easter week. This coordinates with the Easter eggs and the chain that Patti just talked about as well. We also created a New Testament bookmark for you so your family can read. And so there's so many resources and everything you get just for $10. So just scroll down this page, enter your information, and we can't wait to hear about your experiences while you study the greatest story that was ever told. And that is the story of Jesus Christ. Patti and I are so grateful for the chance to share these things with you, and we hope you have an incredible Easter.